Hi YouTube family, hope all you are doing well. Today video is on based on how to copy text from picture. Yes, how to copy a text from picture. So let me brief you about it. So in our day-to-day life, we got lots of document in form of PDF, Word, Excel, then in picture form as well, JPG like. Okay, and we convert some of the documents. So from Word to Word we can convert it easily, from Word to PDF we can convert very easily, from Excel to PDF we can do it, but from JPG to Word is tough because we can't copy anything from JPG file to a Word file. So what we need to do is we just need to we can use a OCR online software to convert this file, or might be we just need to type it. So MS Office bring with the option in 2016 version, so this option will be enabled from 2010 onwards. Right now I am using 2016, so the option is there on the Excel that I am using. It's called OneNote. We can copy the exact, not exact, but I think 80-85% of that, or might be 100% as well. If the image is clear, then we can copy 100% same to same thing into a Word file. We just need to do a formatting, that's it, and all the things got copied in couple of minutes, instead of wasting the whole day to retype all the letters and I think reports. And in short, we just need to recreate that document for our superiors or our boss, and it's take too much time, and it's take our I think whole day of our energy waste behind that work. And but by using this software, the OneNote which I'm talking about, it will be easier. You can finish that work in I think 1 hour. Yes, in 1 hour you can finish that work. But before I start this video, if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. There is a red color icon on the bottom of the video, so click on that icon. Also click on the bell icon that is given left side of that red color button, so you can get all the notification of my new uploaded videos, so you never miss any update of my videos. Also guys, if you want any particular videos to be made on any particular thing, please let me know on the comment section below and I will make that video for you. So without wasting time, let's get started on how to copy text from a picture. So this is my desktop, and at the moment I have two different files. So the first file I have is this one. This is a simple file that I have. I can copy. If I open Word, and I just press Ctrl A, Ctrl C and Ctrl V, then all the things will come onto a Word. It will be easier process, that's not an issue. What if I have a image file, can I copy? No, I can't copy that file. If I try to take this file into a, let's say a Word file, then what will happen? Let me show you. It will come as a image file. I can't do anything on this. Suppose if you got this type of file, what you will do? You just need to retype it again. It will take so much of time to finish this work. But what if I say I can do this in 5 minutes? Yeah, you can do it. So the software that we will be using is software given by MS Office, so it's called OneNote. So the icon is N, so it's just setting up. Okay, this is the OneNote page. So what I will do, I will select a new section. Then what I have to do, I just have to simply just copy and paste this file across to that OneNote. Then I just have to click right click. Then there is an option called as copy text from picture. Click on it. Then again click or you can paste it here. So see guys, the same format I have, I can now just copy this and I can paste. My PC is bit slow. It's taking too much edges. Yeah. So let me reopen the Word again. Yeah, now it's open. So if I copy and paste it here, so the format will become as it is what I have. But if you check, let me show you, there is something. So all the things I got is proper except this. This is called companies, and the word as computer can't recognize, so it's just put as an hyphen. So I just need to change that. Okay, appointment to that's it. There are some of the words that you just need to recheck it. That's it. Other all things will be correct as it is that we have on the image file. So this way it takes your save your time to redo the all the things again, and it can be all the things can be done quickly, easily for you. So this way you can convert all the images into a Word format, because this is the format, because I just shrink this format bit low so you can have the idea. But if the format is clear, then there will be no mistake will be done by a OneWord. It's a very accurate software given by MS Office, and it's a very good software for our day-to-day life. You can easily convert the image into a Word file, or might be in a Word, or you can copy it onto a Word file. It will be easier for you to copy the image to a Word, and it saves lots of your time. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell icon as well. Also, if you want any particular videos to be made, let me know and I will make that video for you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys. Shabba khair.